I never fail to execute, be it even for a single day. Padho, sikho or execute karo is what I believe to the core. Here you can see I created a three-dimensional model of an actual circuit diagram which was actually once an integral part of our physics textbook. Here I have learned to shape the pipelines which looks much real and actually rightly curved in appropriate angles. And hence I creatively thought of making wires in the circuit as I was teaching physics to one of the NEET Aspirant of Class 12th. Thought why not actually show her the actual practical model of the electrical circuit to make the understanding easy. So, you too can enroll in these next dimensional classes. That's it for the day team. See you in the next video. Here's the final rendered animation, all sorted.